up in our community, what you may have access to, what some others may have access to, and what you don't have access to, and what makes us unique as a person. And so the reason why we're connecting this to leadership is that a good leader should know what a person's background is and how they can utilize it for the best efficiency in their community.
So I love taking care of people. I love helping people. And I wanted to find something that would allow me to do what I love to do and still be able to feel fulfilled and be able to have a career, have a pathway to do something that was going to be able to have versatility. I didn't know what I liked when I went into nursing. I said, okay, I'll try this, I'll try that. And people say to me all the time, how did you get to be a deputy surgeon general? The truth is, I took all the jobs nobody else wanted. I did them better than anyone else could have ever imagined doing them. And excellence in everything that you do is critical. So if you want to be a good student, you may not be the best student, but do the best that you can every single day. Bring your A game every single day.
What do you want from a teacher leader in your building, or a principal or an AP? When you think of people who are leading in your building, what do you want to see out of them? What are the characteristics you want? Just name a word or something.
Encouraging.
Encouraging.
Understanding.
Understanding. Strong. Strong. What do you mean by strong? Muscular.
With their convictions, they really care and want to make change.
Okay. Okay. What else? Determined. Other words. You guys have been quiet over here. What do you want from a leader?
Perseverance.
Perseverance, right? When there's problems, they're going to keep pushing through.
From a leadership point of view, when we come across opportunities, who else needs to know about this? Maybe it's not relevant for me, but maybe it's really awesome for someone else I know. And if I pay it forward that way, then that's how you really develop meaningful relationships. Networking is a great word, but honestly, in my opinion, it's hollow. It's the connection that you make with another person that really will end up helping you build on that for what comes next. And one of the ways you do that is by helping people out.
You know, I'm getting a lot of flack, I made this arrest, and what do you think? And he was like, it's not for me to decide that. I said, what do you mean? Because this is a choice you have to make. Did you do the right thing? And that's the most important thing he ever taught me.